Wheat has just surged plus 5.31% to $669.50. In this video we break down exactly what is driving this move and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Tuesday, May 19th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Caution prevails across asset classes. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall St week ahead, soaring as stocks face pivotal week of tech-led earnings, Fed meeting. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 held steady to $7,403.05, minus 0.07% on the session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily. NASDAQ 100 slipped to $28,994, minus 0.45% on the session. Dow Jones ticked up to $49,686, plus 0.32% on the session. DAX edged higher to $24,308, plus 1.49% on the session. FTSE 100 edged higher to $10,324, plus 1.26% on the session. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Samsung is trading lower by minus 4.18% to $269,250. Shell is trading higher by plus 3.78% to $88.59. TSMC is trading lower by minus 2.08% to $395.95. ASML is trading lower by minus 1.96% to $1,472.39. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. On the geopolitical front, this comes as Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily, adding pressure to energy markets. This is adding a risk premium across energy markets and supporting safe haven flows. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall St week ahead, soaring as stocks face pivotal week of tech-led earnings, Fed meeting. Rate expectations remain the dominant macro driver for equities and currencies. Any surprise, hawkish or dovish, has the potential to trigger outsized moves. Investor sentiment is being shaped by S&P 500 and NASDAQ notch records, boosted by RE and earnings optimism. Turning to commodities. Brent crude edged higher to $109.91 per barrel, up 0.59% on the session. WTI crude dropped sharply to $102.88 per barrel, down 2.41% on the session. Natural gas climbed to $3.02, up 2.2% on the session. Gold held steady to $4,559.10 per troy ounce, up 0.07% on the session. This comes as Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily, adding pressure to energy markets. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that is gold still a safe haven now that inflation is rising again? CBS News. This comes as Dow Jones Futures, Trump-Iran delay saves Dow, but SanDisk, Bloom Energy, RE leaders sell off Investors Business Daily, adding pressure to energy markets. Let us give you our near-term view on wheat. From a momentum perspective, the next key level for wheat is around $702.98. A clean break above that could open the door for further upside. The key risk to this thesis is any surprise in central bank commentary or a deterioration in global risk sentiment. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.28% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, gaining 0.81% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 158.96, gaining 0.07% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to us. European stocks fall as Iran war drives oil rally, bond sell-off. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the week ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and key data releases. Any of these could be the catalyst that defines the next directional move. If you found this analysis useful, please hit the like button, it genuinely helps us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for our daily market briefings. Drop your view in the comments, are you bullish or bearish from here? We read every comment and often feature viewer questions in future videos. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor for your specific situation. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.